Hi, lots going off as normal on the little boat. We're here early in the morning, the sun is shining. I'm going to try and get some recording done before it gets too hot. It's going to get into the 31 degrees here, which is hot for us in the UK, but perhaps not elsewhere around the world. So what have I been up to? I finally set up the new filming equipment. I've got two brand new webcams. My husband was absolutely fed up of me moaning that I couldn't get my phone cameras set up as webcams. I don't have the technical ability to do that. So he's like, just go and invest in some cameras. And somebody recommended these to me. These are the Osbot Tiny 2 videos. So I've got two of these. But it does mean that the one on my laptop, which is facing me, isn't great. The quality of these is really, really good. But at the minute, I don't have the money to go and buy another one. But hopefully, at some point, I will. Because then I've got one over the cutting area. I've got one over the sewing machine. And we've managed to triangulate a goose arm down over the sewing machine. So we've got a good angle for the sewing. And then I've got the face one on the laptop. So that has been going off, and there's string and there's zip ties and all sorts. Holding it all together. I don't move anything. So that's that. We then got the Witch's Stash that I launched a week or so ago. A great response to that. So that's the Halloween mystery Halloween box. So there's still time to order. We've got another 2 or 3 weeks yet to order for that. You're going to get 5 fat quarters, trims, embellishments, buttons, some lovely things. And I've even done a spooktacular playlist as well. So don't forget to order for that. I'll pop a link below. There's a brand new video on my top 3 applique stitches. Again, I'll pop the link below, or perhaps put a little card on here if I can figure out how to do that. If you're new to applique, then that is great. And talking of being new to applique, I've written the ultimate applique guide for beginners. Subscribe to my newsletter, you'll get that for free. If you already subscribe to my newsletter, that'll be coming out very soon. But yeah, you need to subscribe to my newsletter and you will get that. It will drop straight into your inbox. I've got to save the date. We had the Petals and Stitches one-day retreat at Woburn Hotel in Bedfordshire. Beautiful location. We had some great food. I didn't get too many pictures, unfortunately. But I have a new date coming up. That's the 22nd of November, because the one in August is already sold out. Thank you very much. And the November one, we're going to be making some Christmas stuff. So I am actually started stitching that out this week. And finally, I'm working on a workshop for creative entrepreneurs. So this is how to use AI in your business for creative entrepreneurs. And I don't mean writing content, and I don't mean creating pictures or patterns. I mean how to use it as your PA, your brainstorming. So so that is something also that I've been working on. That's it for this week. If you like this video, press the like and subscribe button, blah blah blah. Okay, have a great week and take care.